So hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So today in this video we are going to learn how do we edit our videos on Capcut. So basically, to know that, firstly open your Capcut app. You can easily find it on Play Store. After opening to your Capcut, just click one of the video you want to edit, any of the video right here, and just click on add. If you want to crop the video, you don't need to do anything. You just move it like this and start from where you want to start. And if you want to do a voiceover, just click on extract audio, and you can do voiceover from here, or you can extract from your gallery, or you can choose any sound from Capcut. So, and if you want to use filters, just click on filters, use any of this, and just click on right. And by clicking this, you can see here styles too, which is really good. I like this auto velocity one. Just click on that and it will process for some times, and you can see the effect is really good. I like this, so I won't delete this. And if you want to edit back and forth, edit your speed, just click on speed. Like Capcut is really good for video editing. That's it guys, it is very easy to use. So if you like our video and find it helpful, please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos. Thank you for watching.